Out here this morning at busesforsale.com. Check it out, a 2013 Gillig 40-foot Transit. You'll see on the other side we got 2 doors. Just cold started it. Really good looking bus. Like, look at how clean this bus is all the way around. Opened both doors on this side. Just knelt it down. Take a look at what the ramp looks like coming out. And we'll take a walk around the bus. I'll show you what the backside looks like. You can hear it running. Cummins diesel, of course. And this is a diesel bus, not a hybrid. Very, very clean condition overall. Nice wheels, nice tires. Runs great. This one just came up from Florida, so nice clean southern bus. So check out all the other videos on our website at buses.